Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. Firstly, we should connect them to the power. At the top of your right headphone we have the plug with the lightning bolt. You need to open the plug. And right here we have USB-C port, so you can connect it to the power using USB-C cable and an adapter. You can also use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone, or USB-C to USB-A cable to charge it from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. Now let me connect it to the power. Then at the bottom you will see the red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. Now, near to the port, at the bottom, right here near to the LED light, we have controls, and we need to use this multifunctional button at the middle, between volume control buttons. Press and hold it for at least 3 seconds until this LED light blinked white and red. So 1, 2, 3, here we go, you can release your finger now. And then we need to wait about 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can remove your cable, and then we need to turn on them. So press and hold multifunctional button again until you will see the white LED light. We just turn on them. Now we can reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device, or forget device, or unpair, or remove, it depends on the phone, what button you will have here. And click forget device, because if I'm trying to reconnect them, I tap on them, but iOS asks me to remove them. So let's do this. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or maybe you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. So you will see them at the device list. By the way, you can check that it's in the pairing mode if this LED light blinking red and white like what I have right now. So now tap at your headphones and reconnect them. If you want to reconnect them with the application, you need to open the app, tap at your headphones. Now wait a bit. And we reconnect them also with the app. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.